Welcome guys. I just made the dance of here. But we have new plate in here in my house. Ethan, come in. This is my pinsan. Oh! He's little. I'm big! Just like a Buddha victory!
Buddha V3. Buddha V2.
You are Buddha V2. But our brother is
Buddha V1.
I'm so little. Wait, I'm gonna pause it. Whee! Okay, we kicked Ethan in the house. Now he's lost. I will teleport Ethan. Hey! What? Why are you here?
No, listen.
Did you lost?
No.
I just kicked you in the house. Oh, I did it. Pause. Wash your bubble every single day. Hey yo, what's up, yo? Oh man. Did you see this guy? Look. He's in here, man. He's in here. Di pa nga. Wait, pause. Tinapos ko na hampasin. Tapos na yung hampas ko kay Ethan. Gusto mo pa? Like and subscribe.
No!
Like and subscribe if you want to hampas Ethan. Please don't subscribe. Like and subscribe. Don't believe him. He's a little kid. Bro, he's queso. Bro, he's queso. Hey, yo! Hello, queso! I'm your big fan! Ah! Queso is too strong, man! Ah, my God!
What is going on?
And this is our Buddha V1. Ah! And this is him. Bye.